Did you just see a bug skitter across the floor? Or are you having issues with rodents? Keeping your home pest-free is not just about aesthetics. It's a fundamental aspect of creating a safe, healthy, and comfortable living space for you and your loved ones.
A lot of people, when it comes to pest control service, they think that it's just go to Home Depot and apply something you get off the shelf. The products you can buy, over the counter are about 1/100th as effective as what a professional service can provide around the home. We like to use what's called integrated pest management, or IPM. We're coming up with solutions that address everything from trees, harborage, grass, moisture in the grass, standing water. We're really kind of doing a full inspection around the exterior of the home and kind of going to the source. And we start from the outside and work our way in, because that's where the bugs are coming from. And so we get outside, find where the problem's starting, and treat it at the source. What a lot of people do is they wait too long before they address a situation, and then it starts to compound. And it's 1 to 4 to 16 to 30. It just grows really, really fast. Having a professional service that's on a regular cadence is the most important thing. Pest control is like weeding a garden. You can do it once, but if you don't continually do it, the weeds are just gonna come back and they're gonna grow and you're gonna have an infestation.
Now that you've identified what type of pests are giving you cause for concern, it's time for Anthem Pest Control to create a plan for eliminating them.
We're gonna attack each and every individual home differently. So if somebody is seeing ants in the yard and they've got kids, we're obviously gonna inspect a little more thoroughly on the yard, make sure to take care of those ant mounds. If somebody has termites or something's eating the home or the structure of the home, then we're going to check out the structure of the crawl spaces and things like that a little bit more as well. If you've got any open gaps into your roof, or if you have small openings into the home, that's great to be covered by wire mesh so that the bugs don't have any highways into the home. Also, keeping your grass trimmed short, keeping shrubbery away from the structure of the home, long branches as well. Our product is a lot more efficient and effective if that stuff is cut back and trimmed away from the home.
Each local technician is thoroughly trained, licensed, knowledgeable, and dedicated to keeping your home safe from unwanted pests.
One of the main things we pride ourselves on at Anthem is the efficacy of our training and just the standards that we hold our technicians to. We have ongoing trainings and meetings and continuing education hours that our guys are required to go through. Environment safety is just as secure as your family safety or your pet's safety, and so we're not just required to, but we're obligated to ensure that everything we do is not harmful to the environment. We have different procedures that we follow to ensure that the environment's protected.
A lot of our customers will have an organic garden or some type of ornamental plants that they don't want touched at all. So we offer a wide variety of baits or traps that we can put around those so that we're not in contact with any of the plant life. And it's always important that on our application that our technicians have, that they're going to be able to scroll through and see the notes and say, hey, this customer has an organic garden in the back right-hand corner of the yard. So we're gonna steer clear of that. We're definitely cautious of that, and we wanna make sure that our customers know that we're always respectful of those types of things.
And what are people saying about Anthem Pest Control?
Anthem Pest Control was my choice because I ended up talking face to face. It's not somebody you're just talking to over a phone. You actually get to know them. They'll discuss things with you right there before you ever sign up and agree to do services with them. They'll go over all sorts of stuff, and they're very knowledgeable. And I felt like because I had that person-to-person relationship, I then could trust them to do what I really needed to do. They communicated with me. They were right there. They were next to me, helping me out, and that's why Anthem was the choice I went with.
We have a satisfaction guarantee at Anthem, which means if there's ever a problem with the service, with the level of activity that you're seeing, we will come out for free to retreat and reservice the home within 48 hours whenever we find out that there's a problem. If you're looking for a quality service provider that has a high reputation, high level of training, and very good reviews and very good response time, you should look no further than Anthem, because we're the highest rated in all of Georgia, both in the number of reviews and the quality of the reviews. And I think that speaks to the level of service that we pride ourselves on. We're gonna do our best every single time. And if there's ever a hiccup, we're gonna come resolve that for you so that we can maintain a good relationship.
To find out more about Anthem Pest Control, visit anthempest.com and designingspaces.tv.